Hello friends, welcome to the another video of Python course for beginners. In this video we will learn about variables. So what is variables and how we use variables in Python. So let's create a file code.py and first of all I will print something on the screen. I check it's working or not. So it's printing hello world. As I already told you, print function is used to print something on the screen. So what is variables? Variables are just a container. So why we use container? What is the meaning of the container? So we use container to store something. We can store clothes or any other accessories in container and give it a name. Just like that, in Python, variables are just a container in which we store some value and give it a name. So if we have a name of the student or name of an employee, its age and its date of birth, then in the variables we will store these values. So to create variables, we have to give its name. So in other programming languages, we have to give its data type int, float, or string. But in Python, we don't need to give any data type of the variable. We just write a variable's name and store some value. Variable name, assignment operator, so this is the syntax or structure to create a variable. First of all, we have to give a variable name, then assignment operator, that is equal to symbol and its value. Value will be anything that any string, any text or any number or any decimal number. So first of all we will give a name. So age, I write age. Age is the name of the variable, and then we write a assignment operator, that is equal to. Assignment operator is used to assign some value to the variables. So then I will write value, and if I write 20, now age is the name of the variable, 20 is assignment, equal to is assignment operator, and 20 is the value of age. Now 20 is storing and stored in age variable with the help of assignment operator. So now age is the variable and its value is 20. Now we can also print its value, and to print we write age in the print function. We don't need to give double quotes because we are not printing age, we are printing the value of the age. To print something, we write only its name. So I write age and run this code. So that is the printing 20. So I create a variable and give its value 20 and printing its value on the screen. And if I do this, now if I run this, that age is printing, not value of the age. So when we are trying to print the value of any variable, we write its name in the printer, not in the double quotes. If we write in double quotes, it will be a string, not a variable. So you can also create any other variables as you want. So just give it a name, first name equal to symbol assignment operator and value. So I want to give it LX value to the first name variable. So first name is a variable name and LX is the value, but I can't do this because when we are giving any string that would be in double quotes. If we are trying to give some string to the any variable, or we want to print a string on the screen, that string should be in double quotes or single quotes. These both are the same. So now value of the first name is the LX. So if I write print and write first name, then it will print the value of the first name. Now what is the first value of the first name? That is LX. Now that is printing LX, and I can write another variable salary. Salary is the name of the variable and the assignment operator and the value. So I give it a decimal number. You can also save any decimal numbers, integer numbers, or string in variables. You can use any of them. So if I print this, I will write salary in the print function, and it will print that value that I give to the salary variable. So in the variables you can also save integer variable, any string or floating variable or decimal number. And one more thing, that you can also print any number on the screen. If I write 2000, then it will print on the screen. So in the print function you can print any string or any number or any decimal number. You can print anything on the screen with the help of print function. But when you want to print some number or some decimal number, then it should not be in double quotes or single quotes. We use single quotes or double quotes for only string. So that's all for today. We will learn more about in the next videos.